You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this type of triangle that, I know, the name is confusing. The English pronunciation that is correct is as scalene. It's not scalene. And if you want to learn more shapes, more names of triangles, stay tuned. If there are more videos for you want to learn from. Scalene is how it's pronounced. Scalene triangle. English pronunciation, scalene triangle. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.